I just spotted something here. This hornet right here. It's got him a cicada. I'm seeing this thing kind of buzzing around. Yeah, that's what them things are called. It's called a cicada. This type of hornet is called a cicada killing wasp. Wow. Oh, that's cool. Now I can't really see it. I pretty much just lost on where it went. It's going way up there now. I think what it'll do, it'll start to go as high as it can and then try to fly, I think try to fly down to another local tree, because apparently they cannot fly for that long because of with the weight of the cicadas. The wasp can only fly at a certain amount of distance. I mean, so yeah, that was actually pretty cool. What kind of caught my attention was I saw something right there, and then I'm like, since I still had my camera out there, I thought I'd just get a little short video of that. But yeah, that was actually cool. I thought I'd do a little short video of that. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little video. So thanks for watching.